We are laying here in bed for as long as possible because we will not be sleeping tonight because we're going on a tour from here in a few minutes until like 6 a.m.
Yeah. I think this is the first nighttime tour that we've ever done, and I'm a little bit skeptical, but I trust that you did your research on what we're about to do.
So basically, we found this guy on Instagram who is about to take us to the most active volcano in all of Indonesia, and we are going to watch it erupt and the lava come down the side of the volcano like all night long.
Yeah,
It sounds so suspicious when I say it.
Instagram. It's like the Tinder swindler.
Yeah.
Just kidding. He seems legit. Like, he's got a lot of pictures, and there's like lots of other people that have pictures on there.
Yeah.
So I think it'll be fun.
We're filming this as proof of life.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
I am pumped.
I'm so excited. I feel like this is going to be one of the best nights of my life.
This is like what I was looking forward to most when you said we were going to Indonesia and you planned this. This is what I was looking forward to.
Yeah. Let's go see some lava.
Let's go.
Update. It is 10 p.m. and we're still waiting. Has he messaged you?
No. Messaged him an hour ago, asked him to make sure he would come at 9 p.m., but he hasn't even looked at the message, so...
Maybe he's driving.
Yeah.
I don't know. I hope that this tour is real. He told us that he's on the way.
Oh, okay. He just messaged, said, little bit late because crowded in the street. So I think he's still going to come, hopefully.
We'll keep waiting.
But we'll see what time, because we still don't know. Because he hasn't said what time he thinks he'll be here.
I trust him.
Yeah. Plus, we have all night, right?
We have literally all night.
It's not like it starts. It's not like the volcano starts at a certain time.
Yeah, it's not really on like a schedule.
Yeah. Our driver's actually here, apparently.
Oh, all right.
10, what time is it? 10:15? Yeah, 10:15.
All right.
You ready to go?
Let's do this.
Okay. I'm going to turn this light off. Okay. Oh.
Wow, look at the sky. Looks like a good night for lava. Uh-oh, you sleepy?
Yeah, I have to get some coffee. I'm Ben.
Gracias.
Hello, I'm Haley. Nice to meet you. Is there a month that is best?
Yes, this month.
Oh, this month.
August, yes.
Ah, okay, so we got lucky. It's funny because growing up, how we were always told, don't talk to strangers online. And now it's like, you go to a foreign country and you talk to someone online and you get in their car at 11 o'clock at night.
Yeah, they're offering you candy and you get in their car. We'll take you to a volcano. Okay.
We'll let you see the lava eruption.
Our people here all plant this food.
Okay.
Snake food. Snake food.
What is that one?
This is homemade.
Ah, okay.
This is made from rice.
Rice.
Oh,
okay.
It's like Rice Krispie with no sugar. Have you ever heard of snake fruit before?
No.
I haven't either. I saw that in that market today when we were walking. And I was like, what in the world is that? It looks like giant strawberries.
What's that?
That's what you did. Snake fruit. I wonder if we'll see an Indonesian cobra out here.
I hope not.
Well, is there such thing? I don't know. I just made that up.
You can do your new little move.
That's like a rattle, but from the front.
From the front.
We were going up to the volcano, and there's this big, like, truck in the way. I don't even know if there's anything in it. I don't know if there's like rocks or gravel, but there's this truck parked like somewhat off the road, but not enough for us to get by. I don't know what we're gonna do. He seemed,
I hope we can still make it.
yeah, he seemed pretty surprised that the truck was here. Why is that truck there? Are they doing construction?
The truck is not allowed to pass the village in the night.
We see the lava. Whoa.
Okay, we will be closer.
Okay. That is crazy.
Let the truck pass because this is the bad road.
Oh my gosh.
That's it.
Lava. Wow.
So how far away is it?
We are here
How far?
at the viewpoint.
Yeah, no, to the volcano from here.
From here.
Yeah.
From here, still a little bit far. But the viewpoint to see the lava, only 3.7 kilometers.
Okay. How far is the viewpoint from the volcano?
3.7.
3.7. Okay. This is insane. Literally, that one is huge.
I could cry. This is crazy.
On April 1961, destroy all the village here, and no one survived at the time.
No one.
No one. My grandfather told me, huh?
When was that?
Because the eruption.
When?
April 1961.
61.
Yes.
This volcano?
They are very deep down. Yes. Very deep down here. The eruption lasts for 1 month at a time. But always explosion, not melting like this. So after the eruption, this area closed, and no one allowed to stay here.
We are hiking to get even closer to it.
Yeah, it's a little cold out, you know, but it's actually not too bad. It's a good little hike. It's been honestly like one of the coolest things that we've ever done.
I told you.
It's like some of these like eruptions have been just amazing.
The sun is up. The volcano is behind us. There's clouds in front of us. And this is beautiful.
Well, tell me about your childhood. Scrapes on your knees. Well, tell me about those wide eyes. The mistakes and places they've seen. Tell it again. Tell me that story. I wanna sleep in it. Tell me the part where we started falling. I wanna breathe it in. Well, tell me about those old friends, the nights I won't believe. Well, tell me about those parents, siblings too, things you won't need. Tell it again, tell me that story. I wanna
Slept that whole car ride. Well, not entirely. It's on off sleep, but
Is your neck sore?
not really. It's fine. What are we sitting down for an interview? That's what it seems like.
We're back. It's like 8 a.m. and we are going to take a shower and sleep for the entire day and absolutely ruin our sleep schedule.
Yeah,
Worth it.
we'll be completely off the schedule, but that's okay. Oh man, that was awesome.
That was really good.
That was one of the coolest things that we've done.
Yeah.
I don't know if I've ever stayed up all night outside before like that. Have you?
Oh yeah, when I hiked Kilimanjaro.
Oh yeah.
But other than that, I don't know.
You know, obviously I've gone camping before, but I've never stayed up all night like that.
Yeah.
Haven't slept.
It was so cool. It was obviously really dark, so I'm not sure how much of the lava you could see like on the camera.
Yeah.
But hopefully we were able to get some of it so that we can watch it and relive it because it was so cool.
I'd like to do that again.
Should we go again tonight?
No. Well, actually, we'll probably sleep and then wake up and be good.
Yeah, it'll be perfect
Yeah,
timing.
it'll be fine. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to sleep.
Okay, that's it. Bye.
It's so dark.
I don't know. Can you see it? You see me? Oh yeah.
I can see your teeth.